Take a little early. Yeah. See you later, go. Yeah. Don't know. We have to leave out of the Squat and Health Club early car. We have a whole heap of early morning issues. But you know every morning you have to fit up yourself and go up on the road. Because I receive people say the same thing, you know. Health over wealth, you know. Because I tell you something, you know. You don't know, sir, how I'm telling all you out. You know I'm telling all you out still there. Yeah. Don't know. See there? The big Benz are nothing. And when you're dead left, you're dead gone. Yeah? I know nothing. By your health. Or by your wealth. That we say. We're married to fitness. Some DJ can't fit like we. Yeah? That's why we say none of them not bad like Ninja. None of them no wicked like me. Where them a go with them shaky trigger finger. Them can't point no nozzle upon me. Them young bird and no storm. So when we choke on, tell the food go down. Tomorrow man again, old boy.
Yes, old boy.
Alright.
Bless you, sir.
Yes.
Have a nice day.
Yes, sir. Alright, my fans, me soon a little more over and out here. Good. What go on, bossy? Yeah, man, great tender. Yeah. Yeah, man, my fans were up there. Up there. I remember, you know, me I telling you, say, you know, them say no sting now keep. Me I go ask Mr. Laing every day one thing. We come on TV and tell people about no artist not there for put the vibes in a sting where them for put. Alright, me I tell you this. You see what you say? And what you every day say? Me Ninja man say we are tighten up the dancehall unity. Because look how disrespectful it is. Look, on a package like this. Yeah? We are go from Busy Signal, Idona, Romeo and Virgo, Tarrus Riley, Chris Martin. Yeah? Then we go around and we look for Luciana. We look for Berry Salmon. We look for Tarrus Riley. We look for Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Capitan, Sizzler, Mavado, Popcorn, Tommy Lee. Yeah? Gage. Look for the little youth named Massacre. You understand me? All of them artists there. Ninja Man. Oh, Shabba Rankin. Let me tell you something. Buju no there, you know. But see, when you come a friend for me, if you take me out of jail, if you carry me come to Jamaica con DJ. Me know a Jamaica this. Hey, government to help you to get cartel to perform even one time. How wicked now and pay the artists them. The man them we can mash up the stage for them. And we can tear down the stage for them. Who no don't want to pay them. How not tell about a lie. But who no have artists to give performance. Me alone can perform and mash up sting for people them. Bounty Killer alone can mash up his stage. Busy Signal alone. You can't tell me about when we fans them. We fans them a support for so much years. Stop make one no slap it tidy up. Every time we do no wrong thing, them no can come put the blame on artists and tell lie on artists and talk about a thing about artists. The same thing we carry down sting right down to the ground. And the same thing we no continue. We no accept where we no went wrong. We take on if you apologize and say we no respect the artists them and get back to ourselves. Well, I'm going to tell you something. If we don't get no public apology and show we say we no respect, we not come back nowhere near no thing. No sure. We no artist this any entertainer in a Jamaica. We are going to make sure say no artist no work. I say any artist go up on a show when a promoter this way. We are going to beat you out of show gate. We are going to come out like stage show come meet you and broke you on no foot. How want to feel like? Music have to go back to where it go. We have to respect artists. Selector must start respect artists and promoter must start respect artists. And artists make the whole town rich. Stop disrespect we. We are real money maker in our world. How we make we not have, we don't have. We don't have nothing. We have the music, the money, the life, the liberty, everything. How you come amongst us and achieve some item and disrespect with? No. Well, this is the original front teeth, gold teeth. We take out the gold teeth and I walk with pure white teeth, Dan Gag and attack. Me not eat on nobody yard. Me not scrape on nobody bun pan. Me not go on a sting for no award. Because supreme promotion no respect, man. And Laing and Catter teeth every day still come on TV with them bag of lie and a disrespect artist. If me and Bounty Killer say sting ram nung. I mean a hawks. If me and Bounty Killer say sting, right now this morning, you can put out the posters them and the whole jam world block. But if me and Bounty Killer say no sting, Mr. Laing, you don't have no sting. And we not ask you that. Because when Bounty say nago, and Ninja say nago, Beanie say nago, Capleton say nago, Sizzler say nago, Busy Signal nago, Haidona nago, Mavada nago, Popcorn nago, because them love we respect when they know we stand for no side music we are defend. We now make no step on with dignity no more. We now make no walk and perplex with tranquility no more. We now make no treat we like no sappy piece of cloth no more. We now make no treat we like no dimbo bucket no more. We want back with life. We want back with dancehall. We want be in control. We want things them. Mr. Laing every day and every promoter we are take man for full pussy. Who no member say me a real bad man. I'm not afraid of none of you. And the judge and the government of Jamaica me a work with make no for you go on like you bad. Cause me a behave myself because society love me. I mean this society for please none of you. But you no bad like me boot heel. So when me talk you can defend it. I mean now keep my show because I no want to no consent police can lock up my show and shoot up my show. But let me tell you this. Me not afraid of you and me not afraid for dead because death is an escape. When a man dead all in troubles are over and the next man won't just begun. If you no send me a prison, you no send me late because me a 51 pussy. Me live all of my life already. Me all you know. Anything can happen to me, me I tell you my mind. You know like a dirty thinking drunk how we are contexted for artists and a disrespect artists. You think no man afraid of you? You think no man that take no chat from you? I come and talk all kind of thing about artists. What you know about artists? You know where artists got you for build their career? Eh? You don't come with a little cheap money. You don't want to pay, you don't want to take up how much money go pay for a foreign artist. When promoter come from foreign and say, Ninja man, me I book you for a show in Miami. Me look upon him and say, 40 grand. Promoter say, hear me? Here is 50% of your money. Yeah? And by the time I reach Miami airport, me get me next 20. How Jamaica promoter them? Don't want to pay you 40,000 US at Jamaica to perform. Yeah? When me say 60 grand for go Europe, them pay me and me go Europe, what do me I do? Why when me come at Jamaica and do my work, Jamaica people don't want to pay me. Jamaica promoter, them are the thief in his promoter. When you book a show in Miami, when go to Miami to do a show, the promoter then charge enough, it might $50 or $40. And Jamaica promoter charge 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 10,000, 15,000 for VIP. And you know want to pay artists? Yo man, take that to the let me tell you. Take back your fucking crop. Who the fuck does that? Who does that? Who the fuck does that? Don't want to pay the fucking artist. Save that fuck for later on. Is what I'm saying. Come on, man. Come on, niggas. Pay that fucking bill, man. We need money. We need that fucking dough. You think I want to have only 1, 2, 3 bands? I want to have a fleet of fucking bands. You think I want to have 1, 2, 3 house? I want to have houses and houses and houses. Fucking stupid niggers. I want to own planes. I want to own ships. I want to own trains. Fucking niggers. I've got what it takes to make me own what I fucking own. And what I'm supposed to fucking own, niggers. Pay me my money. And then your show will go on. Fucking stupid bitch. Alright, my fans, I'll see you later. Let them know that I'm back.